smoke exotics. Spin it slow, yeah. And you know what I want, yeah.
Hey Rosettes, Yunnie Rose, and welcome Biggity back to my channel. So today we're going to get into the nitty gritty. A lot of you guys have been asking me for what I eat in a day. It's actually been a very requested, highly requested video here on my channel ever since I did my weight loss journey video. So if you haven't seen that video, I posted it probably about a month ago, a couple of weeks ago, just explaining to you guys how I lost 35 pounds. But in that video, I kind of just was like telling you everything that I did in a very broad spectrum. So you guys asked for more detailed videos like what I eat in a day, and more like workout routine videos and just like more weight loss vlogs. So I will be starting weight loss vlogs very soon because I want to start a challenge for next month because I am wanting to lose 30 more pounds. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video to make sure you get the notifications for the next weight loss video if you're interested in losing weight with me. I'm super excited to share my next weight loss journey with you guys. The first part of my weight loss was very intimate, it was very personal, so I just kind of did that alone. I didn't really have any help or support or anything like that. I kind of just made sure I did it myself, and now that I know that I can do it myself, I want you guys to join me. So make sure you look out for that video. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the what I eat in a day. These are some of the meals that I actually ate while I was losing weight. Not while I was maintaining, but actually while I was losing weight. These are some of the meals and snacks that I ate to aid in the weight loss of my 35 pounds. This video is sponsored by Teamy. So shout out to Teamy for sponsoring this video. I've mentioned them a couple of times throughout the last like 2 or 3 years. I've partnered with them a lot and I love their products. So I will be mentioning their Super Greens blend, which really helped with my digestive system. It also helped with me bloating, and it just helps like really regulate my body, allow me to get the nutrients and veggies in that I typically don't get if I'm not like, you know, eating super clean. It really helps. So I will be talking more about that. But if you want to know how I, you know, if you want to know how I got snatched, then keep on watching. Alrighty, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get a mug. The first thing that goes in my stomach is dandelion tea and green tea. Green tea is really good for fat burning and weight loss, and dandelion is great for your digestive system, is great for your gut health, and overall it detoxifies your body, and it also acts as a natural like coffee supplement. So if you want something that's caffeine free, that kind of just gives you that boost like coffee does without the like effects of coffee, because I do not drink coffee anymore because the caffeine really irritates me. So this is just what I have first thing in the morning without anything else. First thing that hits my stomach with some water. Alrighty, y'all, so let's get into breakfast. I'm making overnight oats. So you're gonna need chia seeds, oats, some protein. I'm using this wellness protein from Teamy in the flavor chocolate, some peanut butter because we're going to jazz it up a little bit, some honey and cinnamon, and then you're going to need some light coconut milk. Make sure it is the light kind. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of oats along with 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So what you want to do is separate your coconut milk. You can make 3 portions with this, and you only want to use 4 ounces. So 4 ounces of coconut milk, 4 ounces of water. Add your protein powder in, your cinnamon, and your peanut butter, and kind of just whisk that around. And this is how it should look in the next day or the morning. And I like to add fresh raspberries, banana, and then of course honey. And y'all, this combination is so good. It's very filling and it's going to keep you full all day. So let's go ahead and get on to lunch. So you're going to warm up some garbanzo beans, chickpeas, whatever you want to call them. And these are the veggies you're going to need. You're going to need 1 bell pepper, 1 cucumber, red onion, a cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, and Kamala olives. We're going to make like a Greek salad. So you're going to need Greek dressing along with some salad mince. So what I'm doing right here is just quartering my cucumbers, and then we're going to dice our bell pepper. You can use any type of bell pepper you want, but I just love the green ones. I feel like they just go best with this salad and they just taste the best overall with everything else. And you're also going to dice up a red onion. I just love the taste of red onion, so cut it how you want to. And then you're going to need about 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes, and I like to just quarter them as well so they're in small bite portions. So we're going to go ahead and assemble our salad. So you're going to put in your salad, whatever salad mix you like to use is good for you. Then we're going to add in our chickpeas. Chickpeas are very filling and they're a great source of protein. Sometimes I'll do like chickpea and lentil soup, but today we're doing a salad. So you're going to add your chickpeas, your onion, your tomato, then you're going to add in your bell pepper. Ooh, it just looks so good. The cucumber that you sliced up, and everything is to your measurement, however much you want it. So right now I'm adding a little feta, and then of course the olives. Y'all, I love olives, so I kind of add a lot of them because I love it. And then of course your Greek dressing, and this is what I usually have for lunch. I like to have a salad. I actually love salads for lunch, and they're a great source of fiber. And I notice the more fiber I eat, the better and faster my weight comes off. So for a little snacky snack, I like to have water, a fiber supplement, and some type of like bites or whatever. So I'm using this fiber supplement from Bellway. I love their fiber supplement. And then I'm using these goji bites, which are a great source of just like energy and a little snack. So the next thing I like to put in my stomach is some type of green supplement. So this is from Teamy. It is their green super blend. So it's packed with 16 superfood and green nutrients like wheatgrass, spirilla, spinach, and also has chlorophyll powder in it, so I don't have to drink my actual chlorophyll, y'all. And this really helps with my gut health, and it also helps with bloating. Just getting that fiber in just really helps and does what it needs to do. So for dinner, I'm going in really basic with some salmon, some green beans, and some red potatoes and some seaweed, just to keep it really light. I like to keep it really light when it comes to the dinner, so you're not putting too much on your stomach or, you know, like into your body before you go to bed. So right now I'm just quartering the red potatoes. This like just bag and 1 salmon and 1 bag of green beans can give you like 3 to 4 portions. So also this is a good meal prep or meal plan if you're on a budget. All of this was like $50 if that. So right now I'm dicing up the salmon because I wanted salmon bites, because I just feel like it would just be a fun way to like eat salmon without it being like so like redundant, and just season it the same way. So right now I'm taking this seafood splash custom blends. It kind of just has in all the basic seasonings in one, and it's really good. And right now I am just seasoning the potatoes with paprika, salt, and a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm putting those in the air fryer for about 20 minutes on 400, and it came out so tender and just so yummy. Like I never put this was my first time putting potatoes in the air fryer, and I was in heaven. So now you're gonna put your salmon in the air fryer. You only need to put it in for about 20 minutes on 400 as well, or like 25 minutes, just whatever. I like to flip them over halfway through just to make sure that they're cooked thoroughly through. And then right now I am seasoning the green beans with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic salt, and I'm also putting those in the air fryer as well for like 15 minutes until they kind of just get like a good little crisp on them. So we're gonna go ahead and plate everything. So I'm going in with some of my green beans, and then of course the salmon bites, which y'all, they were so juicy and so good. And then of course our red potatoes, look how crispy those were. They were so good. And then we're going to add some seaweed and some avocado, and as you can see, it's way more greens and protein than carbs, and that is what I love to focus on when I'm trying to lose weight. Greens and protein, limited carbs unless you are working out. Alright guys, so here's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below for more weight loss videos. Thumbs up this video if you want more videos like this. And turn your notifications on so you never miss an upload. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next down in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next one, and I hope you guys enjoyed.